Hey, Ade. Hey, this is a series of lessons. A kodo binadi ka. This is one that we call hero twins. It's about two Navajo hero twins that will be um, shared with the class. And then learn some words. First might be a little difficult, but we'll be repeating it over and over. And hopefully by the end of the several lessons, we can actually get it. So today, this is our pre-video clip, and you'll notice the reish hu that will be used in our class to answer questions about this statement. So first statement, ya dene dene a ashkidan. So we had the word skidan before, so a long time ago. But when you get together with ashkidan, means always a long time ago. Dene na quiche. Na ki is two, but na quiche. Sheen, it's the twins. Hero, it's the Navajo twins. Twins. That's how you say twins. Na quiche chin. Ya tahalne. Okay, it's been a long time ago. They did tell the stories over and over. Ya tahalne. Nit ant, remember nit ant? Nit ant, something in the past. So the stories. So Navajo's always in the past, twins they told about. So good picture and good drawings. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next sentence. It's about Sla is lady, woman, not lehe. So together it comes out to be changing woman. Yei would be giant. Nia, and to hit her home and kind of disrupt the family there. But I'll tell a story. Okay, when we get to it. Alchina plain tapania. Okay, for to look for children. Okay, Alchina plain tapania. So and here we'll use the question chaish and hatibania, and we've used that before. So we'll apply it to this statement. Okay, next one. Um, na ye, na ye. This is the name for Monster Slayer or one of the twins' name. Na ye nez run, nez run. There's that hard word, that sound, hard sound. But then we put an A with it. Run. Ye nez run. I have to change that. Ne is the word. We'll have to change that with the I at the end. And then the name of this creature, horned toad, Naashon, 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 et de Ij, which is describing this little reptile. Bakha, the word Bakha, the word means he helped. Okay, and then repeat na ye nezran ihos he learned ihos ihos and then we'll use the chesh on several different times here in our class. Okay, let's go to the next one, number 3, the third statement. Na ye nezran, there's a correct spelling right there. Na ye nezran, ne was missing from the last. Do Topajish. So this is the next twin's name. To means water. Ba Jishchin, born of water. Tobajish Chin. Opa Jish Chin. Naashje. Put a picture of. Okay, there it is. Naashje E. Astan is Spider Woman. Naashje Astan. Naashje Astan. Beth Olme. Okay, and that's talking about the twins wanting to know who their father was, and we'll tell the story. Okay, next, I think this is the last one. Okay, so now we have a name of another creature, and we call it Wushy Yishi. Wushy, I'm going to have a high tone there. Change it. Wushy Yishi. Maybe it's Wushy Yishi. That's probably what it is. Wushy Yishi. And I'll change the spelling of one, make it one I here. Wushy Yishi. And also Nakishchi, that twins idea. Nakishchi Adole. That's something. This is a word for something. Adole. Yen gave something to the twins. Okay? And we'll talk about it again in our story, in our class. Okay? And then we have team activities. I'll explain that in the class. So that's it. Thank you.